What's up, guys? So I'm back making another video. As you can tell by the title, I have something new on the car and I want to go ahead and show it to you guys. Before I go ahead and do that, I want to say if you guys are subscribed to the channel, welcome back to the videos. Thanks for watching. And if you're not, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a whole lot, and I can go ahead and bring a lot more content for people who have Audis, Audi 8.5s, or if you're just trying to look at mods for the B8.5 series. So as you can tell by the title, I got new wheels, and as you can see, they look pretty good. I like them a lot. They're, I want to say, not cookie cutter wheels, but they do look very similar to BBS's. They're not BBS's, I'm just saying that. But I got the, the cheaper version, a lot cheaper version, because I did not want to spend like 4 racks or more on wheels, just not right now. But yeah, guys, those are the new wheels. Now let me go ahead and go into it and show you guys what they are. So they're ESR RF2s in graphite. They're gloss graphite, so they're not like matte or satin or anything like that. They're pretty glossy. My specs on the wheels all around, since they're not a staggered set, are 9.5 width, 19s by 35 offset, I want to say. So that's my setup all around, and I do have 25 mil spacers all around the car, and it gives me this type of look. So it's pretty flush. It looks really flush actually, except the back. It pokes a little bit more than I wanted to, but we can deal with it. So yeah, it looks good. So the reason I went with these wheels is because I like them, because they look like the BBS wheels, and I can't afford to just put $4,000 wheels on my car. I'm pretty sure they're more expensive than that actually, so I don't want to cough up that much money. So these, I think for the set of all 4, came out to, I want to say, $1,200, $1,300 with shipping and all that. It took around a month or plus to get them. So yeah, so $1,300 for a set of 4 wheels, not that bad, and they look pretty good on the car. I was going to go with a different color, but ESR was having trouble with the color I wanted to go with, which was Hyper Silver, which would have stood out a lot more on this car, but I think this is a good look for it. It's not too flashy. It's kind of, mellowed in there, but it looks good still. With the red brakes in the back, and I went ahead and changed the Quattro sticker to white, so it just pops a little bit more. And my car is lowered a little bit, so the front setup looks really good. There is still some space, but honestly, I think it's good enough for me. If I were to go lower on the back, I'd be okay with that, but the front is just perfectly fine. I already scrape on things enough as it is. So yeah, so that's what they look like. And my tires. So I run Firestone Indy 500s. They're 255s, 35s, 19s obviously, but they are a little stretched a little bit, just a very tiny bit. These wheels, I would say, look better with the 265, but if I went with the 265, I think it would stand out a little bit too more, and it would poke a little bit too more in the back. So 255 is good enough for me. This car doesn't make an immense amount of power, so 255 is just all right. You'll grip just fine. I do like these wheels a whole lot more than my Rotiforms that I had on here before. I believe they were the CVT 128s I had before, and it was too much going on, and they were too annoying to clean, and I don't know, it was just too much. I like this. It's a lot more simple, but it looks a lot more clean in my, I think it does. But yeah, the Rotiforms were a little bit too much, and I'll go ahead and show them to you guys over here. I still have them. They are pretty beat up. I did have a crack in one of them, so I had to get that fixed. And I'm pretty sure there was a dent in one of them, so it was kind of, the ride was kind of eh. So yeah, it feels good to have new wheels on the car, and it looks a whole lot better. So guys, that's pretty much the wheels. I don't have much more to say. I would carry out this video and make it super long, but I've been holding back. I haven't been making videos for a while just because, I don't know, I kind of lost it. Doing the how-to videos every single day or trying to find something to do with the car, it kind of gets boring. So later on, I might just make videos where I talk and show the cars and stuff like that, because I want to go ahead and make videos that I like making and that you guys like watching. But how-to videos kind of gets boring after a while to me, just making that type of content. I do have some coming out, so like side skirts, the side mirror things that are carbon fiber, a diffuser's coming in, a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm still gonna have those videos, but I'm gonna go ahead and make things a whole lot more fun for me to make, because I just want to go ahead and make videos that are fun. I don't want to get bored of this. But if you guys like the wheels, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys would put these wheels on your car, or if you're running different wheels on your Audi, let me know what they are in the comment section below. Until next time guys, peace.